I'll try to talk for 30 seconds, but I don't want to fry this up, so, anyway, 8 miles away as the crow flies for a fire stick. I'm actually kind of impressed. Maybe a fire stick isn't as bad as they say, but at the same time, it's not stock, so maybe a stock radio for fire stick. Maybe it doesn't get out that far because it needs some help, but it's pretty good for a fire stick.
Well, I'll tell you what, Ghost Rider, that base station is blowing smoke.